So as the detection supervision was going by Hercule Poirot, the detective said, "It looks," said Mr. Poirot grimly, "like murder. You must send for the police." Then further, Mr. Poirot, the detective, said grimly, firmly, he said, very seriously, in a firm manner, he said, "We should inform the police because I think this is a murder." There was a pause. Then there was a gap in between. And then Johnny came forward, and Johnny came ahead, and he said, "Mr. Poirot, I hope you won't be too mad." He said, "Are you mad with us? It's all a joke." Means you are such a detective and you did not able to know that this is only a joke. We were playing a prank, you know, he declared. He said, "Say, Nancy, get up. Don't lie there all the day." And then further Johnny said to Nancy to get up. But the figure on the ground did not move. But Nancy, who was lying on the floor, did not move. She was unconscious. Suddenly a feeling of dread, means frightful feeling, came over the boy on Johnny. Poirot strode over the snow, waving the other back. And then Poirot strode over, means he went over the snow, he moved ahead, waving the others back, and the boy followed him, and behind him that boy was moving, frightened. He was very scared. Poirot knelt down by the girl and signed to Johnny. He bent down on the knees on the floor and he signed to Johnny, means he called by using a hand movement. वो मुंह से नहीं बोले, उन्होंने इशारे से उसको बुलाया. Feel her hand and pulse. He said, "Come and feel the hand and the pulse." उसके हाथ को और pulses को देखो. Johnny bent forward. Nancy's hand and had gone stiff and cold. And जब उसने इसको देखा, जब उसकी pulse rate को और heart beat को देखा, तो वो बिल्कुल cold हो गया. He became very astonished. And no pulse was to be found. उसकी pulse चल नहीं रही थी. She's dead. She is being dead, he gasped. बोला. But how? पर कैसे? And why? "I wonder," Mr. Poirot said musingly. Suddenly he unclasped her other hand. They uttered an exclamation. In Nancy's palm was a red stone that winged and flashed forth fire. "I wonder, I am thinking," Mr. Poirot said musingly, with a lot of thought. Suddenly he unclasped, means loosened the grip. Her other hand, they uttered, वो बोला, they said, exclamation in an excited manner. In Nancy's palm, in the hand, there is a red stone which is flashing like a fire. Mr. Poirot quickly put his hand into his pocket and came away empty. And he quickly put his hand in his pocket and he went away. "The ruby," said Johnny. Then, as Mr. Poirot bent to examine the dagger and the stained snow, he cried out, "Surely it can't be blood, Mr. Poirot, it's only paint." Now what Johnny is saying, कि वो blood नहीं है, वो paint है. "You are right," he said quietly, "it's only paint." Yes, you are right, it's only paint. Now did she eat or drink anything this morning? सुबह से उसने कुछ खाया पिया है. "She had a cup of tea," said the boy. Boy replied. Johnny said कि she had a cup of tea. "Mr. Levering made it for her." And he said Mr. Levering ने prepare किया था उसके लिए. "He's got a spirit lamp in his room." और उनके रूम से spirit lamp लाए थे. Spirit lamp क्या होता था? Lamp that burns spirit instead of oil. Spirit से जलता है, oil से नहीं जलता है. जैसे हम लोग लालटेन होता है ना, वैसे lantern की तरह. "Such a handy thing," Mr. Levering answered. "My sister's been glad of it this visit. There's no need to worry the servants all the time." नहीं, तो हाथों की चीज़ है. मिस्टर लेवरिंग ने बोला, मेरी सिस्टर बीन ग्लैड, बहुत हैप्पी है, सुबह आई भी थी, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं। एट दैट मोमेंट मिस्टर पायरेट आइज फेल टू मिस्टर लेवरिंग्स फीट, तभी मिस्टर पायरेट की आंख लेवरिंग के पैरों पे पड़ी। ही वॉज वेयरिंग carpet slipper and he was wearing that carpet slipper. You have changed your boots, he said. You have changed your boots, I see, he said. Levering stared at him. तो पायरेट ने फौरन उनसे पूछा, आपने जूते उतार दिए, अपने शूज उतार दिए? Now for the police, I'll go, cried Levering. I will go for the police. I want for the inspection to be done and to know who had killed that girl. It won't take me a minute to put my boots on. He said, I will hardly take 1 minute to wear my boots. He disappeared into the house and he went in the house. Until the police come, nothing here must be touched. Shall we go inside? कहते जब तक पुलिस नहीं आ रही यहाँ पे कोई कुछ नहीं छुएगा, चलो हम लोग अंदर चलते हैं। I have a little history to recount to you, said Mr. Pirate. Mr. Pirate ने कहा, वैसे मुझे कुछ हिस्ट्री आप लोगों को डिस्कस करनी है, बताना है। A precious ruby once belonged to a very celebrated man. ने बहुत जो precious ruby है, that precious stone belonged to some wealthy man. He came to London, वो लंदन आए, where he met a pretty young lady, and he met a lady there. Soon after the lady disappeared with a historic ruby which had belonged to his family for generations. और वो lady उस रूबी को लेके चली गई क्योंकि वो उसकी जनरेशन को बिलोंग करती थी, उसके घर की थी। दिस मैन केम टू मी एंड दैट मैन केम टू मी, रिकवर फॉर मी माई रूबी, एंड ही सेड टू पायरेट टू रिकवर बिकॉज पायरेट इज अ डिटेक्टिव। ही सेज, आई नो दैट दिस लेडी हैज अ ब्रदर एंड टुगेदर दे हैव ट्रिक्ड मैनी पीपल। आई नो वेयर दे आर स्टेइंग फॉर क्रिसमस। कहने ये ट्रिक करती है, प्लान्स बनाती है, दे आर नॉट ऑनेस्ट पीपल, और इसी तरह वो सबको they are robbers. But the kindness of Mr. Endicott, I too become a guest there, or because of Mr. Endicott I became a guest in that party. But when this lady heard that I am, उस लेडी ने सुना कि मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, I am arriving, she is alarmed. She became anxious and she knows that I am after the ruby, और उसको पता था मैं रूबी ढूंढने आया हूँ। She needs to hide it immediately, and immediately she wanted to hide it in a safe place, and where but in a plum pudding. उसने कहाँ उसको छुपाया? प्लम पुडिंग में। देखो जो ये स्टोरी नरेट हो रही है, इसके पिक्चर पीछे इसके बाद वाले पेज पे, पेज नंबर 116 पे है। She is stirring with the rest, you see, and she pops it into a pudding बॉल ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम, और उसने उसको एल्यूमिनियम की पुडिंग बॉल में डाल दिया। दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दी अदर्स। बाय अ स्ट्रेंज चांस दैट पुडिंग केम टू बी यूज्ड ऑन क्रिसमस डे, एंड बाय चांस उस पुडिंग को क्रिसमस डे पे यूज किया गया, क्योंकि जो क्रिसमस के लिए बनी थी वो तो खराब हो गई थी। द ट्रेजेडी फॉरगॉटन फॉर द मोमेंट, एवरीवन स्टेयर्ड एट हिम ओपन माउथ। एवलीन रोज विद अ क्राई, हर आईज फिक्स्ड ऑन पायरेट। और सब उस ट्रेजेडी को भूल गए जो मर्डर हुआ था, और सब पायरेट की तरफ आंखें खोल के देखते रहे इन अ स्ट्रेंज मैनर में। सब लोग एस्टॉनिश हो गए, सब लोग सडनली इनको देखने लगे, सब लोगों को ये आश्चर्य हुआ कि ये सब हो क्या रहा है।